Hey loves, my name is Brianna K, and this is my summer morning routine for 2022. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing to my channel if you're new. I've been prioritizing making time for rest and making time for fun this summer because if you followed for a while, you probably picked up on how overworked and unhappy I had become. So just know if you're not feeling your best right now, that's okay. I promise you it is going to get better. Sometimes you just need to change and to prioritize rest and your happiness. So here is the morning routine that I've been doing to start off my day in a really positive, relaxing way, and I hope that it helps you. First, when I hear my alarm, I grab my iced lemon water that I prepped the night before. I have it set next to my bed, and I chug as much of it as I can before I even get out of the bed. It just helps me to feel calm, relaxed, and hydrated. Then I will make my bed so that I instantly feel accomplished.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give.
Now my kids had slept over at Gigi's this night, but you can absolutely still do this routine with your kids. I just usually wake up a little bit earlier, around 5 a.m., so that I have that time to myself in the morning. I wear glasses to bed at night, so I'll put in my contacts first thing, and then I will brush my teeth.
There's a new day, and it will say.
Next, I do my morning skincare routine with my Blue products. You've probably heard me talk about how much I love this skincare line before. Blue's just amazing, and just thank you to Blue for sponsoring another video on my channel. I start off my skincare routine with the Hydrating Glacial Clay Cleanser. This is amazing. It's basically like a face mask and a face wash in one because it cleans your skin with the Glacial Oceanic Clay. It contains over 60 rare earth minerals. It exfoliates your skin, soothes your skin, so it is just so soft, silky, and hydrated. Next, I use the Glacial Mineral Toner. I just apply it to a cotton round, pat it all over my skin, and it makes my face feel so cool and refreshed in the mornings. Then I use the Hydrating Glacial Moisturizing Eye Cream. I just softly pat this with my pinky fingers beneath and around my eye area, and it helps them to look plump and awake in the mornings. Finally, I use the Hydrating Glacial Moisturizing Emulsion. I use 3 or 4 pumps and just smooth this all over my face, down my neck, and it leaves my skin so plump and hydrated and silky soft. You guys can just see, look at how glowy my face looks after using Blue, and it just feels so clean, yet incredibly moisturized. Like it just feels so soft and plump. It's literally just like silky to the touch. I absolutely love Blue. So if you haven't tried them yet, use my discount code Brianna31. You get 31% off any full-size products or bundles, and I'll have Blue linked down in my description box below for you as well.
There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
Now I will go downstairs and make my morning coffee. I switched to decaf a few years ago. If you've been here a while, you probably remember that, and it just has made such a difference for me. I would feel so shaky and like an elephant was stomping on my chest when I would drink a lot of coffee or have too much caffeine. So this is a really important change for me to make for my health. And I still enjoy a cup of hot coffee in the morning with my creamer, so I just make it decaf now. Next, I'll take my vitamins. This summer, I've been taking a multivitamin with omega-3 because I don't eat fish. Then I take biotin for my hair and nails, zinc and vitamin C to keep my immunity strong, and just all of these to help me stay healthy as a busy mom. Now I'll do my makeup. I've been going to different workout classes this summer when I can, or I like to go on hikes with my friends, but this morning there wasn't a time that worked for my schedule, so I ended up just doing a workout at home. But I'll usually just put on some tinted moisturizer, fill in my brows, put on a little bit of blush or bronzer, and then some mascara, so it's super simple for summer and just lasts me all day long.
This morning house so clear a light as any. to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were too.
After I did my little exercise bike cardio, I just quickly rinsed off in the shower and then got changed for the day. Here's my breakfast for the day. I made a bowl with Greek yogurt, sliced strawberries, chia seeds, and cashew coconut granola. One of the things I love to do in the mornings if I have quiet time, which I did today since the kids had a sleepover, is to journal. I've been getting lots of journal prompts, and it's just been so relaxing to write out my feelings or whatever I'm thinking about. I try to do this at least once a day, but I really like to do it in the mornings while I have my coffee and my breakfast. Then I'll clean up the kitchen so that it is nice and tidy for the day ahead.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to
Next, I need to water all my flowers and my plants. My mom has the most beautiful yard, and flowers always remind me of her. So she had me get what are called super petunias, which are a type of petunia that I guess are easier to manage and are okay to be in the sun because my yard gets a lot of direct sunlight. But I'm trying really hard to be a good plant mom and water them every single day.
tomorrow, there's no
I also planted some new herbs in my little herb planter garden this year that I'm watering too. I planted rosemary, basil, cilantro, and parsley.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no.
Then I'll pack up my bag to run whatever errands I need to do for the day. But thank you so much for watching my summer morning routine. Please make sure you're subscribed. I hope that this morning routine inspires you to build in some time to rest and relax and do things to take care of yourself this summer and beyond. Sending you all the love and aloha from Ohio. I will see you in my next video. Thanks, loves.